this episode, we are going to be going to the Great British Bake Off. These are my sisters. Please introduce yourself. I'm Riley.
We filmed this in the summertime about a year ago, and I finally found the clips. I was like, okay, it's time. It is time to edit. Here's the rest of the video.
I got these gingerbread houses from Five Below for $5. It has the skill level of 1, and it says it's perfect for little hands. So, I got little hands. We're gonna get started. Our mom at the end of the video is gonna be the judge of who has the best gingerbread. Yeah, I have some.
He's trying to take the door off. My window.
The first step says icing pouch preparement. Need icing pouch to make icing easier. And massaging. The next step says cut a fork opening at corner of pouch and gently squeeze. Separate the house by gently breaking. Ow! Wait, I'm scared.
This is easy instructions.
This is easy for little hands. This is not easy.
The giant one. Level 2.
Level 10.
Tingle first.
Scissors.
Just make me use it.
I'm 1 month old. Yay! Finished.
You don't like it on your hands?
Welcome to my house.
How did people sing that at the same time?
This video is sponsored by 72% cacao dark chocolate. No, they're only for cows. What if I am a cow?
So what is that?
This is my impression of Gordon Ramsay reviewing my
This is absolutely disgusting! Look at it! It looks absolutely disgusting!
Yeah.
That's so nice. What are the cups for?
Why don't you just be normal? Where's the carrot?
Hi, I'm Barbie. Do you want to go outside and play today?
That sounds really freaky. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Sour Patch Kids! Sour, sweet, God. I think the battery's about to die.
But Daddy's in it.
The shade zone, teeth pearly white.
It's time for judging on the Great British Bake Off. First up is Riley.
Ooh, nice. Nice presentation. Love the little lake. The pathway is adorable. I like the little house. It's just snowy. It's simple, but yet totally cute.
Riley got a 9 for creativity, a 9 for neatness, 7 for coolness, and 10 for story. 35 out of 40 overall. Next up is Bailey.
Ooh, very cute. I like the tree right there. That's awesome. Like the pathway. Looks like a river is coming out with a shark. And I like that side of the roof.
Bailey got a 10 for creativity, a 7 for neatness, 10 for coolness, and 9 for story. Overall, 36 out of 40. Now it's time for Jordan.
I like the cars. The target looks a little creepy, but Okay. What's on the bottom? Is that grass? Interesting. Oh, someone's falling.
Jordan got an 8 for creativity, 7 for neatness, 9 for coolness, and 9 for story. Overall, 33 out of 40. Now it's time for me!
Ooh. That's Gummy Bear Paradise. That's cool. I like that. It's very creative. Interesting.
I got a 10 for creativity, 9 for neatness, 8 for coolness, and 8 for story. Overall, 35 out of 40. And the winner is Bailey!
Hi peoples of YouTube today!